I was having a sugar attack this morning, my sugar dropped. Look, I had some leftover food in there.
You sure okay?
I get some more eggs.
You can do whatever you want.
Okay.
It's all you can eat. Listen, the more you eat, the less we gotta get rid of. All you. For that price, it better be.
I forgot my glucose thing, bro. I had a crazy day. I left my ankle monitor charger. I had to fly my boy up here. I left my insulin. I had to fly him up here with that. I left everything. I got my little girls with me, so I be tripping sometimes. I left everything. Then when he finally got to me at like 12:30 at night, last night, it was high, so I had to take a big dosage. And this morning, I must have took too much last night. It dropped on me this morning. She dropped on me bad this morning. Some leftover food from the club. She was scared this morning. I took too much insulin last night. Look, I had some leftovers from the club.
Right here.
Probably my body tired now. Probably finna go take a bath. Take a shower, lay back down. When I have a sugar attack, all my energy be gone. Be tired, bro. Should take everything out. I'm tired now.
Something to drink here for you? Can you drink some water? Cranberry, grapefruit, tomato. Honey. Hey, my sugar was real low, man. I woke up sweating, running all over the room. Oh yeah, the show was lit. Another sold out show. I'm selling out every night, bro. I'm blessed like a motherfucker. Selling out every night. Another sold out show. Every song word for word. Go wake my little girls up. It's about 10 o'clock. Do you want me to eat more eggs for you?
Just eggs and a little grits. good now, man. I wasn't good about an hour ago. I was fucked up. I've been taking care of my sugar so good, so when I saw how high it was because I left it in Atlanta, I took too much trying to get it down. Then I performed too, so
That make your sugar go down too when you perform and sweat. That shit was scary this morning.
yeah, I'm finna with this one. I'm finna eat again.
Alright. Yeah. So what brings you in Greensboro? You got a show or something?
I had a show last night.
Oh man.
Yep.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was lit. It was lit. Y'all ratchet out here.
I'm not from here. I'm from Atlanta.
Why we gotta be a ratchet? I'm from New York, so.
Y'all turned up out here.
Yeah, they turned up. There's a lot of colleges out here.
Yeah, I love Greensboro. They turned up for me.
Yeah, well that's good, bro. You enjoyed yourself. I'm glad you're staying here. You like to stay here? You usually stay here when you come to Greensboro?
Yeah, I usually stay here. No, I ain't got that many hotels. This y'all best hotel. I like this hotel.
I just started working here in like December, but I'm not from here. I've only been here for like 3 years.
Okay, where you from?
New Jersey.
New Jersey?
Yeah,
What
Atlantic
part?
City.
Atlantic City?
You gonna say we ratchet out there too?
Nah, I was supposed to be doing a show out there on March 9th,
Oh man.
but they canceled it, and now I'm right across the river in Philly.
Okay. Yeah, Philadelphia.
Yeah, it ain't far from where they was gonna book it, but how far Philly from there?
From Atlantic City?
Yeah.
Like 45 minutes? 30 minutes?
Okay, yep. I'm gonna be at another spot out in Philly
Yeah.
on March 9th.
Well, that's good for you. So you're making moves right now, traveling. That's what's up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Old women love me, bro. You're so real. I look at your TikToks. You're so real. Old women love me. No salt in this shit. Powdered egg. They can't for my age, but I made a breakfast the other day that was so good. God bless me. You know why people say God bless you when you sneeze? A lot of people don't know that. My partner didn't know that. People say God bless you when you sneeze because your heart stop beating when you sneeze. A lot of people didn't know that. That's why people say bless you, because when you sneeze, your heart stop beating. A lot of people don't know that. My partner did not know that. Boosie just taught you something.